Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a level system. As you see on the bottom of my screen, I have this level bar, and as I click this trigger, the green like loading bar or something like that fill with this XP, like of the percentage XP I have. And as you see, I set this trigger to be 500 XP, and after new level the XP that I earned go to new level, like it's not reset after new level. For example, I did 1000 XP and it's 300, I get to the next level 700 XP and not like 0. So it's also cool to have that. And as you see, I can now I don't get the new level and I have this fill bar filled, yeah, so it's animated and it's automatically changes the text of level and the XP. Also the XP, like how much he needs, you can set it up. It's algorithm for this, but you can set the percentage later. I will show you how. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm in UEFN right now, and first things we want to create is not a Verse script but a folder called UI. And you want to open that folder and create user interface, widget blueprint, and user widget, and name it level UI. This is only to see how the positioning of this widget and all these things needs to be, so we will have like it's easier than testing each position. Okay, maybe okay. And so we need that image, like the color blocks and control, and this lower, yeah, and this center with control. And we want to say change alignment to 0.5, 0.5, size to 70-50 maybe, size Y to 50, and position Y to maybe 100. Okay, and the tint, I think I will go with black one and 0.3 opacity. Okay, next is a text block. We also want to change the alignment, not the alignment but anchors, with 0.5. Okay, and drag it somewhere here. Change the text to level 1 just to show. Okay, it looks good, and make the positions better. Okay, so yeah, we don't want this .581. It's unclear and all this stuff. It's better to have the clean one. It's easier in code and clearer. Okay, so oh wait, my scroll is broke. So okay, I will copy this level and with the same position Y, which is 100, and I guess with the same position X, and this will be XP, so just to showcase. And we want the justification of this text be to the right, because if we set it up to left, it will, yeah, as you see, go off our background. But if we say justification to right, the text will go to the left side. Yeah. Okay, and next we want a stack box. Okay, and in the stack box we need 2 images, so just place one image and copy and paste. Okay, also the anchors to be this one, alignment 0.5, 0.5, position X to 0, and for now I don't know what we'll have. Okay, find the right, size Y 5. Okay, maybe a little higher, 75. Yeah, 75 sounds good. Okay, and this image will be our level image, like this percentage, and we need to select fill here. Okay, and this one will be invisible, so the opacity, the alpha, will be 0. So this is our filler. So as you see, it's like, oh, too much. We can manipulate the size of this green one with this filler. It's very cool. Yeah, so it now set it up to 0. Okay, and that's it in UI. Can go now and so maybe save it. You can now go to Verse Explorer. If you don't have Verse Explorer, just click Verse and Verse Explorer. Maybe you will have it here or here somewhere. Just find Verse Explorer and create a new Verse file, Verse device, and I will call it level system. Hit create and open it. Okay, I have it. So now we can delete these comments. Okay, we don't need it. And add string to message because we will need that. This localizes string message is equals to our string. Okay. And next we want also to add action types, which will be the enum of increment, decrement, and set. Okay, and also a class level manager data, which will be the class with the concrete. Okay, so we can add editables to it. So let's add it. Editable trigger device. So this is the trigger in this showcase that adds. We have 3 options: increment, decrement, and set. So we can increment XP by 50, for example, decrement, or set it. So it's really easy to set up. And this is the action. So action types equals action types, and for example increment, and the how much. So int is equals to 50. So how much to increment, decrement, or set. And also we need maybe main device, which is optional from our level system. Oh, yeah. So, and we will need 2 functions: on begin, return for now, and on triggered, which require maybe agent. So optional from our agent. Okay, so we can go to our level system for now. And I didn't mention, but this level system is saving. So it's saved between sessions. So I think that's cool. So yeah. So let's add a table, level tracker device. So we will set it up, set this data of level with trackers. It will be too much doing with code, so I guess we can set it up with trackers, and also you will learn how to set the value with trackers. So you'll need 3 trackers for level, current XP, and need XP. So for level, this need current XP, so this is 10 for example, and need XP this 100. Okay, I think it makes sense. And next is manager's data. So you can manipulate your XP like with triggers, add, decrement, or whatever you want. Okay, next we need the map with level UI per agent. So this is the agent canvas is equals to array. Oh no, array map, sorry. And needs max x per line, so float, and in our scenario is 70/50 because this is this wait, where it is, oh, the starboard its value, so this is size 6. For example, if you have this 1000 here, just write here the 1000 but I will go with 70-50. Okay. So we can create our functions for now. So on player joint, which require agent type void equals, so return for now. Okay. Next is next is calculate new need XP. So this is this algorithm which will be calculate new need XP. So yeah, on new level, agent type void equals return. Oh, have I done it? Yeah, I want to return this. Okay, let's go next. XP action, which will require agent action type. Well, I think I need to buy the new keyboard since yeah, it's not very good. Action types and int value. Okay. And next function that we need is init UI for agent. So agent, and also the track agent level. This will require agent XP line filler. So this is the color block. Level text, which will be the text block, and XP text also will be the text block. Type void equals return. And we need an import for this, so you can copy this imports I have now, or just go to your extensions and search for Verse and download the Verse auto imports. So it will automatically import your libraries. So as you see in this example, he wants color green, so it will automatically import him Verse or colors, name it colors. Now it should have actors, Fortnite characters. Yeah. So this extension is really helpful. You don't need to know all the libraries. Okay, so maybe go in our level manager data for now, and on triggered, we want to get the main device. So main device, we need to get this optional from maybe main device, and also we need to get agent from our maybe agent. Okay, and as we have this, we want to fire the function expansion and provide agent action and how much. Okay, and in on begin we want to subscribe to triggered event, subscribe, and on triggered. Okay, that's all in this class. Now we can go to our on begin and add for loop for all players. Need to get the all players from play space, so get play space, get players. So with this function we looping through all players that currently is in game. Okay, and now we need to get the player, so player from all players. Okay, and now we need to fire the function on player joint. Oh, because we have player here. And also we need to subscribe on player joint, so get play space and player added event, subscribe to on player joint. So these functions happen to subscribe to only new players that join, so the players that join in progress. So for example, you have box fights. No, box fights is automatically go to spectate. So for example, some RP game or something, and this is happened to players that join in progress, and this happened to players that was in game. For example, before game starts, so for example on this countdown before game, or just between rounds like on the new round. So this happened to players that currently is in game, for example on start game, on start new round, and this happened to new players that join in progress. I hope this makes sense. We also need another for loop through our manager's data. So for manager data, okay, and we need to set manager data, maybe main device, need to set it up to option self, because this is an optional. As you see, it have this question mark here, so it required option. And also manager data that on begin. So we need to fire our function on begin, where we subscribed to on triggered. Okay. Next we can set it up our on player join function. So if not level UI per agent for our agent, we want to init UI for him. Okay. So if player don't have UI yet, we want to give him a new UI. Calculate new need XP. Okay. So we want to get our current XP. So current XP tracker. Get value from our agent. Okay. And we need to also get the need XP. So need XP tracker that get value. Okay. And if new need XP and we want to seal, so for example if you have this float, for example 0.4, the seal is always gonna go up, so it will round us to 1 integer, and the floor function from the 0.5 will do 0, and even from 0.9 will do 0, like the floor function. So the seal is always go up, even from 0, 0, 0. Oh wait, it's 9 here. Even from this, the seal will give us a 1. It's always going up. And if you want round, I guess it's that function. Yeah. So round is the mathematical round. So from 0.5 is going up, and from less than 0.5 is going down. But we want to use seal, always go up. So you need XP is seal from, and we need this seal and need XP times 1.0 plus need XP times the, and we want to get 50%. I will go with 50%. This is the percentage of need XP. So for example, need XP is 100. As you see in UEFN, we have 100 here. So we get the example as 100. So our need XP is 100, and we want to get 50% from 100, which is the 15. So 15. So 100 plus 15 is 115. So this is our new need XP for the next level. So this is like the percentage. You can set it up to whatever you want. Maybe 5%, maybe, I don't know, 50%, 20%, 75%. It's up to you, but I will go with 15%. Okay, and after that we need to go to our need XP trigger and set value for our agent and to new need XP. Okay, this is all in this algorithm. It's pretty simple, but it's working really nice. On new level we can copy this our two values. Okay, and var new XP is int current XP minus need XP. So for example, we need 100 XP and we have 200 XP, so it gave us 100. So this is our new XP. So we don't reset the XP to 0 after a new level, but we want to you know, give the player. So if new XP is, maybe we can do a double check. So if current XP is greater than, either XP greater than or equals, we want to add new level. And if new XP is somehow less than 0. I don't know why. Oh, it couldn't be, but okay. Double check, you know. I want to set it up to 0 so player don't have. I don't know why I have this problem. Content. Macro must be. Yeah, we have name. Oh, okay, never mind. I have this. Okay. And current XP tracker. Set value for our agent to new XP. Okay. And also we need to fire the calculate new XP function. So it will calculate for each level. We need to calculate the new need XP. So that's why we fire out this function. And level tracker dot increment for our agent. Okay. In XP action, we need to get the current XP. So we can just copy this and use case action type, because we have 3 action types. It will be not efficient if we use if. So let's copy these action types that increment. Okay, this symbol. We need also the decrement and the set. Okay, so we have 3 scenarios, and we need the new value, which is the current XP plus int value. Okay, and now we current XP tracker that set value for our agent to the new value, and we can copy this and paste it to decrement, but set from this plus to minus, and here on the set we can just copy this one, because yeah, and to int value. Okay, that's all in XP action. Let's go to our UI now. So what we have the image, so as color block, because we don't have any image. If you have, for example, some texture here, you can use texture block. I will go with color block. And the text block, startboards, and 2 images. Okay. So let's start with our background, which is the color block, is equal to color block. Default color will be black for us, and default opacity will be 0.3. Okay, for XP line will be also the color block, so I can basically just copy this, and our default opacity will be 1.0, and default color will be lime. Okay, we can also copy this and XP line filler. So color block, default color, I will go with white, and default opacity is 0.0. We don't want the filler to be visible. And also we need XP line start box, which will be our start box, is equals to start box, and we need default, oh no default, we need the orientation, which is the orientation, but with just not capital. That's horizontal. Oh, I can spell, bro. Sorry. Yeah, and next we need the level text, which is the text block, is equals to text block, and default text string to message, and I will go with level 0. Okay, and also we need the default text color, which will be white, and I think I spelled something wrong. Default text color return, yes, and let's copy and paste that here, and we here need the XP text, and also add the default justification. Should be the text justification. That's right. Okay. Oh. Now we need to add our line and line filler to our startbox. So it's line startbox, add widget and startbox slot, add these 0 brackets. We need the widget, which will be the line, horizontal alignment, which will be the horizontal alignment that fill, vertical alignment, that will be the vertical alignment that fill, and the distribution will be the option 1.0, because in the UEFN this is the 6 line, we have fill 1.0, so this is distribution 1.0. If we set it up to auto, we don't need to set the distribution, but yeah, we have the fill, so we need distribution, and we have fill. As you see, horizontal alignment, you can have left, center, right, or fill. We have fill, and the same with vertical. We have fill in this and this one, but in this one we have the auto. Okay, so we can just copy this and change the widget to XP filler and remove the distribution, and that's it. Okay, next we need the player UI. So if player, in the player, because we can get player UI from agent, so we need to get the player from agent. In player UI, get player UI from player. Okay, and now we can create a new canvas. So new canvas, which is the canvas slots, it's an array, and we can create a canvas slot, which required a widget. First widget will be the background. Okay. Okay, widget background and anchors. What anchors do we have in? Okay, let's open the anchors. Minimum 0.5 and 1, 0.5 and 1. Okay, so in the anchors, minimum should be the vector 2, x 0.5, and y will be 1.0. Okay, and the maximum should be the vector 2 with the same 0.5 and y 1.0, and I spell vector 2 wrong, so let's just copy this. Okay, and next is offsets. So this is the margin, so you can just type left 0. Okay, let's see, we have 0, minus 100. Okay, 0, minus 100. So this is left, top, right, and bottom. So left is 0, 0. Left is 0, 0. The top is minus 100, so top will be minus 100. Okay. Next is right, so right is 70-50. Right is 70-50. And the bottom is the 50. Okay. Next is alignment, which is the vector 2, and I remember we have alignment 0.5, and the y is also 0.5. I spelled it wrong, I guess. Alignment. Wait, alignment. Yeah, like that. Okay, sorry. We have alignment, and the order, which is the 0, because it needs to be rendered first. So as you know, we start with programming from 0, the indexes, and size to content to false. We don't want size to content here. Okay, so let's copy this canvas slot, and now we need the XP line start box. Okay, and the anchors we have the same, the alignments also have the same, the order we can go with the ordered one, and offsets we need to change the offset for sure. So 0 and -75. Okay, 0 and -75, and the bottom to 5. Okay, so we can copy this again, and now is the level text, and I think we have size to content true here. No, we don't have. Yeah, we don't have, but okay, -85, so -285. The Z is -100, so the top is -100, and this, oh, so, and the X is 165, like X, 165, and the bottom is 41. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here, and this will be the XP text. Okay, and I think it's just not a negative but normal one. I may be wrong. Yeah, I'm I'm not wrong this time. So okay, next we want to go to this line after if. So this one, yeah, I'm good. So player UI that add widget to new canvas, if set level UI per agent for our agent to new canvas. Okay, and we want to maybe the brackets here, and we want to spawn our track agent level. It requires agent, XP line filler, the level text, and the XP text. Spawn currently. Oh, because we need suspense here. Yeah, because we need to loop here. Okay, so let's go to. Okay, sorry, I'm here. So yeah, we have suspense because we have loop here. So we need var current loop time. Okay, which is the float. We want to have this for 5 minutes. So this is like for increased performance, because what I saw, maybe Epic Games fixed that, but if your loop is like, you know, going for too long, it like decrease performance of the game. For like, if like one loop going for running for 1 hour, it's really lag the game. So if you break the loop every 5 minutes, for example, player won't see this, like you break the loop and relaunch it again, and it really helps the performance of the game. And also you can the sleep time. So I want the sleep time to be per 20 FPS. So this is the FPS as you want to refresh your XP bar. For example, if you want to have 30 FPS, 60 FPS, 240, I will go with 20 FPS. Okay, I need to start the loop with our sleep time and set current loop time minus equals the sleep time. Okay, and if current loop time is less or equals 0.0, we want to spawn our function again, so we can just copy this spawn and break this old loop. So we're starting the new loop and breaking the old loop. So yeah, the player won't really see it. And here we want to get our trackers, so we can go for some function. something like this, and just paste our trackers here, but we also need the current level. So current level and level tracker that get value from our agent. Okay, and if current XP is greater or equals next XP, we want to spawn our function on new level for our agent. Okay, and we want to get the XP percentage, which is the float, and this is the current level times 1.0 divided by net XP times 1.0. So we get the percentage that player have. So for example, current level is current XP, sorry. Okay, so we have current XP, for example, something easy to, for example, 500 XP, and he needs 1000 XP. So how much percent he have? 0.5, 50%. So yeah, we did the percentage. New its amount, so this filler amount, which will be the max XP line, okay, minus XP percentage times max XP line. Okay, so this is the 70-50, this is also 70-50, and this is 0.5. So quick math, I'm not good at math. Yeah, but this is like let's go to calculator and calculate that. So we have 75 and 50 times 0.5, we have 375. So 750 minus 375, we have 375, because we have half, as you know. So the filler will be filled in half. Pretty simple. So it's per line filler, set desired size to vector 2, and the x will be our new x amount, and the y will be the 5.0. So the y is your this sidebox y, so this size y. Maybe you have this for 20 or more, so if you have, just change that here. Okay, now we need to set the level text, set text string to message, and our message will be level and current level. Okay, and also we need to change the text of XP text, set text also to string to message, and our XP text will be the current XP, okay, divided by net XP and the text XP. If you want any other text, you can change that, it's, you know, up to you. Okay, and let's double check if we set it up everything. Yeah, it looks good. I think it should work. Let's put Verse code here. As you see, built successfully. So we can go to our UEFN and test it out. So, oh no, we need to connect devices, sorry. So let's put our level system device, and we need 3 trackers. So let's go to Fortnite, devices, and search for tracker. Okay. And start to track will be the events, target value, the max that you possibly can, so 10,000. Okay, assign on game start, leave on default, sharing individual. Okay, show on HUD, we don't want to show this on HUD, so no. Show progress, also off. Trackers, no, we don't want that. And this is really important. If you want to save the level, we need to set the use persistent to true, auto save and auto load. Okay, and that's it in Tracker. Let's save that and copy and paste that Tracker 3 times. And this first will be for level, this will be for XP, and this will be for need XP. Okay, and also let's put some triggers. This one be for increment, this for decrement, and this for reset the data. So let's just connect it manually. Reset progress and to this trigger on triggered, and clear persistence to also. Okay. Level tracker, so tracker level, current XP tracker, tracker XP, need XP tracker to our tracker need XP, and add two managers because we have two triggers. So the first one, this one, to increment and for example 250, and the second one to how much, also 250 but maybe decrement. Yeah, and also I didn't mention that we need to go to our tracker need XP, and in starting value we need to start how much need XP you want. So this XP here, needed XP, because if you have 0, it will not work and the player will get instant level up. So because yeah, everything times by 0 is 0, so yeah, that's why we need to set it up to 100 from starting value, or whatever you want. Need 10, 50, I will go with 100. So we set it up everything. Let's hop on Fortnite session and test it out. Okay, I forgot to change from the example the new X amount, so we have the issue that okay, I closed the session. So but yeah, we will also basically always have half filled. So let's change it to max x per line, and here to x per percentage, and here to max x per line. Let's build first code, open UEFN, and push first changes. And now all should work fine. Yeah, let's reset our progress. Okay, we have 0, and I hope this, and as you see, the level up. I get the XP points, the fill bar is filling. I set it up to 250, so it's going fast. If we level up to a higher level, yeah, it's going slowly now, but I don't think you have that much XP like living at one time. So yeah, as you see, our level system working. We have infinite levels, like player can reach even 1 million level, so it's infinite, and it's saved. So when I end the game now and started the game again, as you see, the level saved. So it's saved between session. When player leave the game and rejoin it, it still have his level. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you found this helpful, and if yes, you can leave a like and subscribe. And if you want the whole code from this video, so yeah, all the code basically, join my Discord, link is in the description. It's totally free, you don't need to invite your friends or whatever, you can just join and get your code. So yeah, that was it for today, and see you guys in the next one.